Hello friends, so today we'll discuss about what is a firewall in your network marketing business. Now, if you do not know what is the concept of firewall, let me just share the screen so that you understand what is firewall and how does that relate to your network marketing business. Okay, so now if you do not know already, a firewall, that is a in a building. So now you see that red arrow there. So that is called a firewall. So the purpose of a firewall is in a building. So it separates, two parts of the building, or, in a house, two rooms of a house can have a firewall. Okay, what is the objective of the firewall? Objective of the firewall is if, this part of the building catches fire, then fire does not destroy the entire building or entire house. Okay, so it remains, the fire remains in this portion, and all the destruction happen in this area without any damage to the other part of the building. So keeping this protected, that means not to damage the entire structure. Now, in your network marketing business, this is also a very important concept, whereby if you build a structure of your business like this, just like a house, you build in your network marketing business a structure should be so solid that it is unshakable, and it gives you the income month after month, year after year, generation after generation. Okay, so then how do you protect, or how can you build something called a firewall? So now if you see here, for example, you are here and you have, let's say, three legs, and this person has three legs. Okay, this is an example of three, just to keep it really narrow. So you may be wider as well, or the way your business is, but you should be wider to be profitable, as you know. So now let's say under this gentleman, there are another he has three legs, and this guy has one leg, this guy has one leg, and this guy has three legs, and this guy has one leg, and this guy has one leg. Okay, so in this structure, a firewall is built, okay, in here. What does that mean? Let's understand it. So it means that when in an organization, what you have built, if there is fire, what is fire? That means there is people quitting the business. Okay, that's called, or I call it, fire in the business. So that means there is a destruction happening. Okay, let's take an example. This guy here loses his dream and ambition, and gets into a phase where he starts to doubt the business and doubt himself whether he could do it or not. So now this is a phase where I would say that this is this guy catches fire. So that means the destruction has happened. So now once the destruction has happened, probably this person is a friend of this guy. Okay, so they are connected, and now this person also gets negative. Okay, so when this person goes through the negatives in the business, and doesn't believe that the business will work, then what happens? So now this person, the person above, also may get the impact of it. Okay, so now this is a triggering action, like the destruction has happened. But this is where the firewall has been built, or you should try to build a firewall. So what does that mean? So that means that this person, if you see, has a three width. So that means this person has three legs. So what does that mean? So that means if this person decides to quit the business, this person will not quit. Okay, why not? Because this person has another two legs. Okay, so if he has vested interest, he can see that, okay, his business is he has business outside this guy, so he would not quit the business. Okay, so that means the fire is stopped here. Okay, so this person will not quit. Okay, he would he has vested interest in the business. Now, can you stop the quitter quitting or the winner winning? You cannot. However, with this structure, there is a high possibility that you can hold on to this guy, or this person will not quit. So how do you build firewalls then? So very important that as you go deeper, it's very important for you to secure places. So that means you build in the depth. So this is called depth and this is called width. So in the depth, you should try to build a firewall so that your business is secure. How many firewalls can everyone become a firewall? Probably not. So we'll start to see who are the people who listens to you, who appreciates your time, and they have a dream and a vision. So whenever somebody has that criteria or somebody has that mindset, then you can start to work with that person personally, as if you are that person. That means this person has to be worked. So you have to work here as if you have personally sponsored this person to go what wider. So that is the concept of the firewall, is you help in the depth the people to go wider. That is called a building firewall. Okay, so what is firewall then in your network marketing business? Helping in the depth for people to go wider by developing relationship, by helping them to put a structure, or to put the width, to give them the belief, and give them the confidence to build the business. So with that, I am done. And those of you who want to get hold of a copy of this book, Lost Leadership, I'm the author of this book. My name is Som Prakash, if you do not know me already. So, just click on the subscribe button if you want to know more about, all these valuable tips and tricks of building the network marketing business. So I'll be more than happy to help you with that. But you can get hold of a copy of this book completely free, or digital or online copy or ebook, just by clicking on the link below. Just go and find the link and click on the link below and get hold of a copy of this book and start to learn the basics of building the business, building the width and the depth and the concept of the firewall. You can also see the concept of the firewalls here mentioned very clearly about how you build it. So get hold of a copy of this book, and I am sure that you'll start to build some width and the depth and grow the business big. Okay, with that, I'm done and over and out.